Hey there, this is Aegon from Teamwork, and in this video we'll be looking at using intake forms in Teamwork. An intake form is a quick questionnaire that clients or team members can fill out, and all of the resulting information is added into a task assigned to specific users. Intake forms can be created from the Forms tab in a project. There are several question types you can choose from, including single line text, file attachments, multiple choice selection, radio groups, and more. To add a new question, you can either click to add that question type to the bottom of your form or drag it into place anywhere in your form. Once a question type is in the form, just add your title for the question, you can add help text, and you can mark the questions as required if you want to. While updating your form, you can easily get a preview of how the form will look. Over in the Settings tab, you can select which task lists the tasks created from this form belong to. Likewise, you can select the assignees for these tasks, and which field in the form will be used to generate the task name. You can add a confirmation message that users will see once they've submitted a form, and you have the option of enabling them to submit another form to add another task. Once you've published your form, you can toggle on or off whether or not you want the form to be active and accept responses, and you can quickly access the form link to send to anyone who may need to use it. And going back to the forms section, you'll see a list of all of your forms and some information about them, including the number of times they've been used. Intake forms can be a huge time saver, allowing clients and team members to provide all of the information you need without needing to do any back and forth.